In Abuja, one business at a time. Solar Depot is now in the heart of the city, bringing reliable solar solutions to homes and businesses. We just completed a 10 kilowatt solar installation for this business office in Abuja. This system is equipped with a 10 kilowatt Solis inverter, a 10 kilowatt hour Thunderbolt battery, and a 10 kilowatt power PV system. This setup ensures uninterrupted power for their daily operations. With this system, they can now power lighting, multiple fans, 4 air conditioning units, printers, CCTV cameras, refrigerators, freezer, microwave, and more, without worrying about power outages or high electricity bills. If you're looking for a trusted solar provider in Abuja, we've got you covered. At Solar Depot Nigeria, we deliver custom solar solutions designed to keep your home or business running 24/7. No more blackouts, no more interruptions, just clean, reliable power. It's time to make that switch. Contact us today via the numbers showing on the screen. Thank you for watching.